चलो। हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शुभम जगदीश एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही खास स्टूडेंट हैं, अमित जायसवाल इनका नाम है। ये जीडी गोएंका लखनऊ के पास आउट हैं और ये हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं ऑब्सेशन के 2016 एंड 17 बैच के। सो वेलकम अमित, थैंक यू फॉर
Thank you,
गिविंग योर
sir.
टाइम बेटा।
Thank you, sir. It's all matter.
ऑल राइट, तो मैं कुछ जर्नी के बारे में बता देता हूं कि अमय ने अपना बीबीए परस्यू किया है नारसी मोंजी कॉलेज मुंबई से, और उसके बाद इनका सिलेक्शन हुआ है इंपीरियल कॉलेज लंदन में। तो यार अमय, थोड़ी सी अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए ना कि कैसे कैसे आपकी जर्नी रही राइट आफ्टर क्लास 12th, योर
So,
सब्जेक्ट। हाँ।
I started my 12th, I started my 11th with PCM, and I
ओके।
took economics as an extra subject. Then I met you in economics while you were teaching me. And yeah, so 12, to be honest, NMIMS doesn't have any eligibility thing for 12. All you need is like get a 50 percentage in total, and you need to have maths as a compulsory subject.
ऑल राइट।
I had PCM and economics, and yeah, I got 94 in economics when I was studying by you.
ओके, हाँ। सो देन
And then we have an NPAT examination. That's basically divided into three parts. English, that's your verbal. Then you have logical reasoning, and the last one is the quantitative parts.
ऑल राइट।
It's a 2-hour paper. At least I had a 2-hour paper when I had my papers, and you have around 120 questions. You get 1 minute each. There
Okay.
was no negative marking. All, so this was the basic paper pattern we had.
Okay, okay. Then once you have cleared your written, then what's the procedure in NMIS?
So NMIMS just have a written paper for bachelors. When you clear it, you have to get your verification done of your 12 results and all.
All right.
And that's it. You get your admission.
Okay, so Narsi Monji is in Mumbai. How's the exposure? It's like इतना सुना है उस कॉलेज के बारे में, इतना हाइप है, तो उस कॉलेज के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ बताओ ना, कैसा लगा कॉलेज का एक्सपीरियंस
Sir,
में?
NMIMS as whole and Mumbai campus is amazing. Like you have everything you need. And because it's in Mumbai, you get a lot of opportunities over there, like internships and everything. And we have college, we don't actually have playgrounds and all. So if you're interested in playing, you don't have it, but we have classes from 5 classes from 7 to 12. So you study वहाँ पे, and then you have assignments and everything. It's overall very fun, and because it's in Mumbai, you have like a lot of students coming from all places of India. So if you need diversity, you get it.
All right, all right. How were the teachers? How was the placement? तुमने placement में नहीं बैठा, तुम GMAT की तैयारी करने लगे. Tell me something about that.
Sir, so teachers are like one of the best you get in India. You have teachers like for accounts teacher, I noticed that they have to be CA at
All right.
least, and then they have to do their the required things.
Okay.
And for economics and all, we have teachers from London School, and yeah, we have like the amazing faculties available in India. And as far as placement, I'll tell we have packages going around 18, 19 lakhs for BBA. That's the highest, and average would be around 5-6.
Okay, average is 5-6. Like if you are preparing for every commerce student or every science student who is in India or studying from any other part of the country, if they are not going for engineering, the stereotype thing, और कॉमर्स वाले बच्चे को अगर नारसी मोंजी के लिए प्रिपरेशन करनी है तो आईएम्स के लेवल का कॉलेज है कि नहीं है, या उनसे बेटर है, कुछ आईएम से तो बेटर भी है वो आज की डेट में आईपीएम प्रोग्राम के लिए। और बहुत सारे बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन ये है कि अगर हमने बीबीए कर लिया नारसी मोंजी से तो आईपीएम जैसे हम एमबीए भी वहां से कर सकते हैं, तो उसके बारे में कुछ पिक्चर क्लियर करो ना यार।
So, if you compare for BBA, I'll suggest that NMIMS is one of the best you have available in India. So it's because of the faculties plus overall the course outline. The detailing we have in finance, it's pretty much equivalent to an MBA from a normal college.
Okay.
And talking about comparing it to IPM, so we don't actually have BBA plus MBA integrated courses. We have BBA, and we have to give the normal MBA exam they have and Matwala, and then you get into MBA.
ओके ओके ओके, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि बीबीए क्लियर कर लिया वहां से तो एमबीए भी वहीं से मिल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है, एमबीए के लिए पेपर अलग से देना पड़ेगा।
but the easy part is कि NPAT is pretty much similar to NMAT. जो BBA वाला paper है, that's like MBA. So if you clear BBA, you have a high chance of clearing it again.
ओके, तो यार मतलब करिकुलम कैसा है वहां पे, क्या पढ़ाई की, तो बीबीए का कुछ स्पेशलाइजेशन के बारे में भी बताओ ना।
So I can we have a specialization available in marketing and finance, and that's in our 3rd year. So first 2 years you get a glimpse of everything: marketing, finance, operations, and all. Then
Okay.
later in the third year, you basically decide you are going for finance or marketing. So I opted for finance, and
Okay.
I had subjects like financial modeling
Okay.
and valuation and all.
So, how come you decided like to pursue your MBA from any college which you are targeting for? तो कैसे तुमको decide हुआ कि Imperial College London से तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी है? So, what triggered you?
So, like me, I had
हाँ.
been planning for going outside. But then for bachelor's, I don't suggest going outside because anyways you go for a master's degree and your last degree is the one that's actually counted. So if you see in the terms of return on investment, it's like wasting a lot of money for going again to foreign for master's. So
Okay.
I did my bachelor's from India, and then Imperial was in my mind. That's like because it's ranked seventh in the world right now, and
Okay.
it's like number one college in UK. So if you're planning to go to a UK college, Imperial is one of the ones you target.
Okay. So, Ivy Leagues की ranking में आता है Imperial College?
Sir, Ivy Leagues, there's a perception that it's like the top 10, but Ivy Leagues are ones in the US.
हाँ.
And if you see like world ranking, mein, Imperial is better than certain Ivy Leagues.
Hmm.
Like Harvard is ranked fifth, so Harvard is better than Imperial, but then Imperial is better than many other Ivies.
Yes, yes. That was a major confusion जो बच्चों को लगता है. So, भाई कैसे crack किया Imperial College London तुमने यार?
So like the whole process is very interesting. You need to prepare for GMAT. GMAT is though optional. Like if you have a very good extracurricular, you have very good grades, then you can apply directly. But then the chances of converting are low. So
Okay.
you need GMAT. Then they look at your internships, your work experiences throughout the time of graduation.
Hmm.
And then personal statements and interviews are like the major thing you need to crack.
All right. यार तो अमय तुमने क्या एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर में तुमने क्या किया? There were some papers, that were published somewhere. You told me earlier.
Yeah. So I like when I started my BBA, I was very interested in research methodology as a subject.
Hmm.
And I had around 5 research papers published during my BBA time.
All right.
And yeah, so that helps you a lot. Then there was a competition in Jai Hind University that was like a country-wise competition where certain papers were selected as one of the best. So I presented in that 3-day conference and we were awarded as the best paper for
Okay.
impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy.
All right.
And then for extracurriculars, I had joined Narsi Munji's Rotaract Club.
Okay.
That helps you a lot because Rotaract as overall is very famous throughout the world.
All right. All
And
right.
then I started a TEDx community and I was like a co-founder of Fiven.
Okay. Okay. So you did plenty of things when you went to Nasi Monji, Mumbai, right?
So like the overall culture in Narsi Munji is so good that you have a lot of opportunities available. And you have around 700 people in BB only.
All right.
So you can do a lot of things if you want. But people sometimes don't do it because they're in Mumbai and chilling around.
Yeah, Amay, they are juniors watching you. They are in class 11th right now. They are passed out of class 12th, and there are students who are in class 12th. So there are some tips or tricks which you want to convey to your juniors. There are many people who are watching from GD Goenka too.
Like the overall thing I would suggest for crafting NPAT is start preparing for like a 3-4 month thing. The overall paper is simple. So if you have your basics clear throughout 11th, 12th, and 10th and all, you will take 3 or 4 months of practice and you're good to go. But
Okay.
the thing is, just getting into an RC Munji is not everything. You need to really work hard because overall the course structure and things are set in a way that you have to work 3-4 hours a day to be at the top. And since we have around 700 students, if you're not among the top 10 percentile, then you don't get like really good placements and everything.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. So thank you, Amay, for giving your time. Hopefully, अच्छा तुम्हें join कब करना है Imperial College तो बताओ.
I'll be starting September. Mein.
Okay, you are going to UK in September. That's it. That means, right?
Yes, sir. I'll be
Oh,
going in August. We have a 10-day quarantine abhi to.
अच्छा.
So yeah, I'll go in August 20th, something around that. And yeah,
बहुत बढ़िया है. ऑल द बेस्ट. हमें यार जल्दी से वहां पहुंचो. वहां पे देखते हैं भाई क्या सीन चल रहा है. वहां से एक वीडियो कॉल करते हैं तुमसे. ठीक है ना? एंड
pakka sir.
गाइड स्टूडेंट्स की कैसे पहुंचे वो इंपीरियल कॉलेज बहुत जल्दी से जल्दी. सो
So like
थैंक. हाँ हाँ, यस सर.
yeah, if you want to go for masters outside, I
ओके.
would suggest to start preparing at least 1.5 years before you're going to complete your bachelor's,
ओके.
because overall the process is very long. You have to have extracurriculars and all. And first year में students actually don't go for extracurriculars utna.
Okay.
So you need to plan things out. If you are like I started during my third sem, the preparation for Imperial. So
Okay.
if you go gradually, so it works.
Okay. So thank you यार अमय for giving like so much time जो अपने juniors के लिए और बाकी लोगों के लिए, and all the very best for your future endeavors. बहुत जल्दी मिलता हूँ तुमसे जैसे ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाता है.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.